There is a mouse and a lion. The mouse is Tom and the lion is Sim. They are good friends. One day they went to the forest. They got some food to eat. They liked to eat and eat. They went rested well after. A good boy. It was Monday morning. Little Pedro got up. He made his bed. He took a bath. He put on clean clothes. He combed his hair. Little Pedro ate his rice and fish. Then brushed his teeth. He got his bag and said, "Goodbye, mother. Goodbye, father. My house is small. It's near my school. There are 2 rooms. There are a bathroom and a kitchen. There is a small garden with nice trees and flower." Ang saging. Maraming tanim na saging sa aming bakuran. Ang hinog na saging ay kulay dilaw. Berde naman ang kulay kapag hilaw. Matamis ang mga bunga ng saging. Paborito rin ito ng mga matching. Ang pagong ni Dingdong.